Believe it or not, your parents and students might want to flip over their desks because they can't figure out the way that your Google Classroom is organized. Because most remote learning happens asynchronously, teaching online demands high levels of organization that anyone, anywhere can understand. And that is why it is essential to use topics when organizing your classwork. Here's how. To create a topic under the Classwork tab, hit Create. On the menu of options, select Topic. Now, the title of our topic is pretty important. To organize topics for remote learning, it is best to organize by week and date. So it should look something like this. Week of May 18 through May 22nd. All right, so now that we have organized our Classwork tab in a week at a glance format, it is now time to think about labeling assignments. So I'm just going to create an assignment as an example. It is really important to also have common, consistent language in labeling assignments. So I suggest first putting the type of assignment. Perhaps it is a do now, followed by the assignment name, editing for punctuation. So type of assignment, followed by the assignment name. Now, it's important before just clicking assign to put this assignment under the correct week. So assign points and a due date, or students and classes as you wish. But here is the key for organization, the topics. Let's put this in the week of May 18th to May 22nd, and then click Assign. When my Classwork tab reopens, I am able to see my Do Now assignment editing for punctuation under the correct week. Now, if there's a lot of weeks on the Classwork tab, you can quickly and easily see all assignments that fall under a single week by clicking on the topics on the left side of the screen. Then you'll see only the assignments for that week. That is also a good tip to tell your students. You might be asking yourself, should I retroactively organize my Classroom tab? No. It is important, however, to start from here. And this is something to consider in future remote learning experiences. You also might be asking yourself, does everyone on the team need to have the same topic headings? The short answer to that question is yes. Everyone should organize their Classwork tab in a similar way. It is super important for our parents and our students' sanity to have a common, consistent language in navigation.